Good day everyone. I am Ardel Armialdo, student from St. Rita's College of Balingasag. Today, I will teach you how to use MySQL group by syntax using MySQL console. And now, as you can see, we already created the employee DB or the database. And this syntax use employee DB is to use the database employee DB. And now this show tables is to show the tables in employee DB. And this describe employee is to describe the column or field, the employee ID, employee full name, the employee address, the employee salary. And its data type, the key, the primary key, and next is the select all from employee syntax. This is to show or view the following data that has been inserted in employee. And now I will show you the SQL group by syntax. Select employee address, comma, count, from employee. Group by employee address. Now, as you can see, the group by syntax show the employee address and its number of count. The Kogon is 1, Pambayaan 1, while Napalayaran is 2, because in the select all from employees syntax show the Napalayaran that is inputted 2 times, while the Kogon is 1, while and Mambayaan is 1. So for more info, visit www.w3school.com. Thank you. That's all.